In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use multi-account containers in Firefox. This tool is incredibly useful for keeping different activities separate while browsing the web. Whether you're juggling personal and professional tasks, handling multiple email accounts, or just want to enhance your online privacy, let's dive into the steps to get you started with this fantastic add-on. First things first, you'll want to ensure you have Firefox open on your computer. Once you have Firefox open, go to the Multi-Account Containers add-on page. Here, you'll see the option to add this extension to your browser. Click on Add to Firefox and then confirm by selecting Add when prompted. This will install the add-on and you'll notice a new icon appears in the top right corner of your browser. It looks like a square with 4 different colors. That's your containers icon, and it will be your gateway to managing your browsing experience more effectively. Now that you have the add-on installed, let's explore the Containers menu. Just click on the newly appeared icon, and the menu will expand, showing you several default container options like Personal, Work, Banking, and Shopping. These containers are predefined to help you organize your tabs based on different activities. By clicking on any of these options, you can open a new tab within that specific container. If you'd like to further personalize your experience, you can also create your own custom containers. Just give it a unique name, choose a color, and select an icon that resonates with the purpose you've assigned to it. When it comes to actually using websites within containers, it's remarkably straightforward. Suppose you want to access Facebook under your personal container and Gmail under your work container. All you need to do is open these sites in their respective containers. Containers are designed specifically to keep cookies, logins, and other site data compartmentalized. This means you can be logged into multiple accounts on the same service simultaneously without interference. It's an excellent way to separate personal from professional activities, ensuring that each stays within its designated container. Managing your containers offers even more flexibility and control. If you have a tab open and realize it belongs in a different container, simply right-click on the tab and select the Reopen in Container option. Furthermore, if there's a particular site you always want to open in a specific container, you can set this up in the add-on settings. This feature ensures that your browsing habits remain consistent and organized. By following these steps, you'll find that managing your online activities with multi-account containers becomes an effortless part of your daily routine. This tool not only boosts your efficiency when navigating the web, but also adds an additional layer of privacy to your browsing sessions. So give it a try and see how it fits into your workflow.